Hi guys, hope you're all well. Thanks for joining me again today. My name is Nikki and I'm working on a 12-inch square canvas today. First colour down was Jo Sonja Aqua. Second was This Little Piggy in Hustle. Third, TLP Latte, This Little Piggy, and Red Violet by Matisse. And my cell activator today is Atelier Titanium White. Now, all the details of all the colours will be listed in the description box below, and that includes where my hairdryer is from. The brand is actually an Estelle, but the details of where you can get it from, the actual link, is in the description box as well. So the first attempt, it was looking quite nice, but I didn't like that bottom bit. It was, although it's a beautiful pink, it was it just didn't look right. It looked out of place. So you see me move the canvas to the outer edge of the Lazy Susan, and that makes, if you put whatever part you don't like to the outer edge, then that will spin off. So it spun off and everything was looking okay, but then I lifted it up to try and tilt it some more, and because I'd still got quite a lot of paint on the canvas, my cells started to go really wonky. So yeah, it couldn't be saved. When your cells go really wonky like that, it's quite difficult to save it, because even if you bring them back, they've lost the shape. And when you've still got a lot of paint on the canvas, there's nothing really you can do about it. So yeah, I had to go again. So I will speed up the process in a minute, and then I'll put the second attempt on for you, and I'll put some music on for you now and come back to you at the end.
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Something that I need from You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. Can love me better than you. Love me better than you do.
I think this part here is one of my favourite parts. I just love the way the colours all blend together like watercolours. I love this colour combo together, and the peacock cells, look at them, wow, look at those cells with all the colours in them. And I love those little aqua cells to the right then. That latte is a beautiful champagne colour. And on the left where the pink and the blue blends, pink and the aqua, oh, it's so lovely, those sort of muted lines. So pretty. So yeah, I'm glad I went again. I'm happy with the second one. I think it's pretty. So if you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and please share. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and everybody take care. Stay safe. And thank you so much for being here, and thanks for all your lovely comments, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks guys, bye.